And now we're going to transition from the Sentinel style to the EVS style. First, we're going to start by disconnecting the power supply. Next, we're going to remove the trap body. It's easier when you close the tripod legs. Now we'll remove the tripod. And we're going to add back the trap body. And we'll cinch that closed, nice and tight. Now we're going to add the metal arm hanger. You can identify the holes in the side where the arm hangers are placed. Now we're going to attach to the bottom of the CO2 cooler. We're going to add our power supply, the BG power bank for this demonstration. And we'll connect our power bank. And you can see that the ventilator is now functioning by the shutter opening up. We'll insert the battery into the CO2 cooler. And there you have the EVS style